The investigation continues tonight with federal health officials trying to pinpoint the cause of the E. coli outbreak linked to romaine lettuce, as people are warned to stay away from all types of romaine.
And this comes as so many are getting ready for the big Thanksgiving Day meal. Health reporter Stephanie Stone joins us now with your update.
That's right. We're going to keep people safe here. You know, there have been more food illness outbreaks this year than ever before. Last week, a renewed warning about salmonella and raw turkey, and now romaine contaminated with E. coli. But doctors say with a few precautions, Americans should be able to have a safe and healthy Thanksgiving.
Store shelves were quickly emptied of all kinds of romaine following the sweeping warning from federal health officials about an E. coli outbreak linked to the popular lettuce.
The particular strain of E. coli that is in the romaine lettuce tends to be more dangerous.
The CDC has identified 32 cases of E. coli linked to contaminated romaine in 11 states. There are 3 cases in New Jersey, in Bergen, Mercer, and Union counties. Those sickened in New Jersey were between the ages of 21 and 70. One was hospitalized and has since been released.
The symptoms that you would experience if you were affected by this strain of E. coli, you would get sick typically 3 to 4 days after you've eaten it, and most people have cramping, belly pains, will have diarrhea.
Dr. Daniel Miller, an infectious disease specialist at Temple Hospital, says those most at risk are the elderly, young children, and people who are immune compromised.
How dangerous is E. coli for most people?
For most people, it's not dangerous at all. Most of us have E. coli inside of our own intestines right now, and it's healthy and it's helping us to digest food.
Because E. coli can't be removed with rinsing, everyone is advised to avoid all romaine until the source of the contamination can be identified. And it can live in refrigerated spaces and countertops, which should be cleaned. People should also clean up after handling raw turkey. There's another food safety alert about turkey potentially infected with salmonella bacteria. That bacteria is killed when the turkey is cooked to an internal temperature of 165.
Now, with the E. coli outbreak, it can sometimes take 8 days for symptoms to show up. Dr. Miller says that's because the bacteria actually takes root and grows inside the intestine. But again, severe cases are rare. It is usually mild. And we also have all kinds of food safety recommendations and tips for you. CBSPhilly.com. Click on health. And also, I'll put it on my Facebook page. No reason that we shouldn't have a good, healthy
I feel better already.
Thanksgiving.
I feel better.
Right? In spite of all that yucky stuff we just talked about, we're going to be fine.